Shalom, guys. It's your sister Jay with another episode of Country Living in the City. Well, I'm in the kitchen again, of course, my little greenhouse in the dining area. But if my husband was alive, he would probably kill me with everything I've done lately. But that's another story. This is my one of my hydroponic systems, and I have some sprouts that I started, and there are different types of greens. And I think one of them is a broccoli. This one is broccoli here. I want to see if I can grow broccoli. This is my first time doing things hydroponically, so I followed the directions. I watched my pH. You want your pH between 5.5 and 6.5. That's the best for optimal growth. There are a lot of videos on YouTube about hydroponics. There's different techniques. I'm trying it with this, and I got this system on Amazon. Actually, it connects with another system, but I don't have any more pot spoutings to put in today. But I just wanted to show you guys, and I'm just going to lift this up for a minute just to show you how you got the neck cups, and their roots are hanging there, and they're in the solution with nutrient water. And you change the water out every 20 to 30 days. You look at it, make sure, and you watch the water levels over there. But and I'm running the air pump right now, but you don't want to run the air pump continuously because you want the nutrients to be able to sit on the roots. So you run it to stir it up a little bit, but then you turn it off. I just turned it on, so that's why it's running. So just giving you an update there. Have something else to show you too. Okay, guys, these are my Black Beauty zucchini plants, and I grew them in sand. Now, once they get, actually, I'm going to take this one out here because once they start to sprout through the sand, it their roots grow under the sand, and it's like I just have to show you. But I put these. Well, Brandy put these in the dirt yesterday because once you see how the roots grow on the in sand, you have to get them in dirt so they can continue to grow, because at this point they're going to need nutrients. And I have them in compost and fertilizer mix, so they're going to get some good nutrients there. And as you see, they're nice and green and strong. And those are some broccoli plants that just decided to come up. The weather has been crazy in Ohio, so it's been hard to grow things, and I'm tired of running the heat. And this is actually cantaloupe. Now, I have sand underneath the compost layer, but it's coming through. And, well, let me put down this camera so I can show you how the roots look when you take them out of the sand. Okay, guys. What I do is, because I can't hold the camera and do it at the same, I just dig with a popsicle stick underneath and pull this up. Look at that root, guys. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me get it in the camera. There it is. Look at the length on it. And here we go. There we go. That is the root on this plant. So I'm going, since I've uprooted this now, you see how big and strong the roots get in sand? Yeah, so, and this hasn't even opened up yet. So I'm going to get this in dirt, put it in a cup like that, and it's going to continue to grow so I can put it out in the garden beds. So just wanted to show you guys that. And I do the same with the cantaloupe when it's starting. It's just kind of starting to come up. So I have a lot more things to show you. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to get it ready for the compost and water it and nurture it and put it in some sunlight if I can find it in my house. It's been raining for the last 3 days. Ohio, Ohio, Ohio. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Take care of each other and take care of yourselves, eating foods from the Most High. Until next time, Shalom.